Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
So we are basically trying to fix that by putting a separate Mamlatdar in each taluka to look after this law and order and all the other daily routine matters. And we are basically going to appoint more Mamlatdars who are dedicated basically towards this Mundkarial and tendency cases to look after. So they are dedicated Mamlatdar appoint to look after these cases.
So in all talukas?
In all the same. And फाल्यां अशें जावप उपकारना थोडे कितें जाता मामलादार ट्रान्सफर जाल्लेले आसता ट्रान्सफर जावन मागीर ते दुसरो मामलादार हू टेक्स ओवर तो मागीर पत्तो वयता इन that case he takes back again from day one. It should be like how courts function. Even when the judges this thing, it is on record till what hearing you had taken and you should carry forward from there. Sorry.
Minimum wages.
That is definitely going to be a good news for the workers, hopefully before Ganesh.
ग्रेटर पीडीए म्हणून प्रकार खंय काय नाशिल्लोत स्टाफ एनजी पीडीएचोच वापरताले त्या वेळार खंय ताचे पुरते ती राजकीय व्यवस्था केल्ली बाबूश सरळ उलोवन मेकळो.
Earlier there was only one NGPDA. The rate of NGPDA was just made. Actually, it looked like it was made. At that time, it was made in a hurry. It was more to accommodate me actually at that time. Even as far as the staff was concerned, the staff we were using the staff from NGPD. So there is no issue. Just correct what he has done.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.